Question 2. John is 40 years younger than Kenny. Kenny is thrice as old as John. So the question wants to know, how old will Kenny be in 6 years? So let's draw our model first. We know that John is 40 years younger than Kenny. So we have Kenny, we have John. Let's draw something like this. And this difference over here would be 40. And we know that Kenny is thrice as old as John. So Kenny has 3 units, while John only has 1 unit. Okay, so the question wants to know how old Kenny will be 6 years later. So we know that the difference, 40, is equals to 3 units minus 1 unit. So let's write this out. 3 units minus 1 unit represents 40. So 2 units represents 40. So now we can find the value of 1 unit, which is 40 divided by 2, and this gives us 20. So in order to calculate how old Kenny will be 6 years later, we have to first find 3 units, and then we add 6. So Kenny's age 6 years later would be 3 units, so 3 times 20 plus 6, because 6 years later, and this gives us 60 plus 6, which is equals to 66. So this is your final answer.